Welcome to watching Tyson video. Today we will show you the Tyson frame equipment TS-J39, the PQJ, the cutting machine, the saving molding the time, less waste time. The first, when you get the machine after install it, then you to make adjust the computer. The first for this moldings, we need to cut it less waste. It means the saw blade will move left and right side, one side by one side, not two saw blades together. And how to adjust it? Today we will show you. This will total difference as the double cutting together with that type. This one can save more moldings for you. Okay, the first, after you get this machine, install that. Then we put the moldings, one molding first. Then to cut it. 可以过来。First we put the molding inside here, and then to open the computers. Come, 过来，对这里。Open the computer and make the England menu and write the size here. But first we need to confirm the size if correct or not. First we make like this. We make it 180. It means 180 millimeter, 18 centimeter. Then we enter. Enter that here the number of this size. We cut the two pieces. And this the cutting number. We only write the cutting number 1. Enter. Now we then start to cutting that to check if the two pieces size is correct or not. 好，可以走远一点。We need to use the other moldings to press that to make sure it's close to the moldings. Then we press the green button. One time. Saw blade running. Second time, they'll start to move at the middle. Second time, move. Okay, come. Next time we'll get two pieces as the side is right on the river. Then you check. You need to look at if the side correct or not. The first one. Okay, now side. This is the first one. This is the second one. Now we need to control the side. The first one, we use the ruler. So we use the ruler. To check the size. If the size here is correct or not. Right now we make the 18 centimeter. So here we see if here is size correct or not. For example, this is the first pieces. First pieces is get 1 millimeter more. 1 millimeter more. So the first size is here. First size. If here is longer, so you need to reduce the size on computer is here. ODDA DJ this. For example, now is the 7.5. You need to write it like 6.5. This is the size. And now is get the second pieces. Second pieces will need to adjust like this. If less means you need to reduce the size on the EVM, the adjust. If you is more, the size is longer, so you need to add more size to keep it in correct size. Now we check. Here for this size is 18, so all things correct. So if not correct, it's longer. If it's longer, so this even adjust here. If more, you add more. If less, you reduce the size here. This is the first step to confirm the size. Okay, now we start to make all moldings to cut. 开始。好，可以，你再拿着。好，我在那个。好 now we start to write the size. For this one, we can cut the 4 different sides together. 4 different sides together. And first, when you put the moldings, you use this L molding to stop the molding like right now is doing it. Then you can stop in the middle side to save the moldings. After you put that, you take off this L wound. We start to edit the systems. This first we need attention to control the stick, the size first. We need to keep the mean size 20 centimeter in the back side to left it, not cutting. Or the back side, the clamp cannot push the moldings easily. After, if you still need less than 20 centimeters, you will need to use the yellow button to press it by your hand to cut it by manual. Now this size, this sticker size is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. So we write the size as this one. First size, we just only cut the 2 sides. First size we make 20 centimeter, 200 millimeter here to enter. The quantity make 2. The second size here to write the 300 millimeter. Make the 2 pieces. And here the estimate quantity make the 2. We write the 2 here. It means only cut the number 1 and number 2, these 2 sides. If we write the number 3, it means can cut 1, 2, 3, 3 sides. Here, what number you write, then here we'll stop at which number. So this we write the 2. Now the size of the cutting program is that we cast the first size is the 200 millimeter, 2 pieces. Second size is the 300 millimeter, 2 pieces. Then we start to run it to cut it. Okay, so yeah. The first we press the saw blade running. Press the green button 1 time. Saw blade running. Press the second green button. Outside cutting. Okay, now you start to cutting like that. All the molding we are automatically for that. Okay, now finish the cutting. You can see the first you cut the 20 meters right, and then cutting the 30 centimeter right. Same as like this centimeter. The first 20 centimeter 2 times. Then the second size, the 30 centimeter, 2 times. This, raising it, then take off it. You can see the molding will cut, the saw blade will come, and here will cut here first, and then cut here first. As you see, the difference, saw blade different on here. In this way, the weight only the saw blade thickness on the molding. Okay, this is the Calibrating TS-J39 PQJ, not weight the type. Later I will show you another machine. Thank you. How to cut the last pieces? The last pieces will use the many tool lab. And how to control the last pieces? The size. The first, we need to count the pieces. For example, this is the 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter, we cut the 30 centimeter. We cut the 3 pieces. Cut the 3 pieces after writing the program. 1.2 meter, 22 meter long. And here make a 3 pieces. Then we cut it. First lining to make a saw blade lining, and then the second to make a press again green button. First part. Second part. Press here. Hey, press button. Stop wall. That button stop wall. Here, you can see. Let's green to make it done, and then use this. Too secure, at just the side, push that, and then use here. Attention here. To press here, use this steel to close this molding. Then lock these two secure. After lock, then okay. Take off. Then we first cutting one piece to secure. Then red button again to finish working. Okay, now 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Here, you see it side. Hey, 那个老头走开。3 pieces for this molding. And now we have the last pieces here. Now, use this. Put the side here. Right now you lock. Polish. And then yellow button. Cut. Real cut. After finish cutting, let's check if all the sides same. Okay, now we have finish cutting. You can see here. It's okay. This is the last piece. How to control the last size. Use the tool there. Okay. Last one. Last one. Use this. Together. All together here. Yellow. Yellow button. Yellow button. This is the 15. For the 12. Okay, now you make it 4 pieces. 4 pieces 过来 Make it a joint. Okay, corner. Here, corner. Corner. Use the Tyson V-nails. Hard wood, soft wood, and this the Tyson frame. TS-J39 Make it. Use the L-wood put here, and the land to make all together, make all moving together, go inside. So in this way, it can cut in one side, and this L-wood will help you to make the corner in the middle of the cutting. And here, this is the can put this one. This screw can help its moving, keep it in this side. So if your molding is more, just adjust this spatula, put more things, more gas inside to make it higher than this. So it can close this molding well.